welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Style It 24/7. Hopefully you all would like, subscribe, and share if you're into everything fashion, fashion hauls, fashion trends, styling tips. And also follow me on Instagram at Style It 24/7, where I'm new over there as well. These items that I'm going to show you all are items that I got in the recent months and also items that I just recently got this week. And I am one that does a luxury spend twice a month. I don't do more than that. I look at where there's gaps in my closet or where there is something that I want that I know I would be able to use for a long period of time, and I put it on a wish list, and then I take the plunge when it's time to make purchases. So without further ado, let's get started with the first item. First item is from Tiffany & Company, and I wanted to show you all first what it is. Now, I've shopped with Tiffany & Company over the years. I'm wearing the Elsa Peretti diamond ear studs. I'm wearing my 1830s Tiffany since 1837 dog tag that I got engraved. And I just recently made a purchase. I don't know if you all can see it, but it has my initials in there. So the reason why I went after something this small is because, you know, I needed an everyday piece that I can wear when I'm running errands. I have Tiffany pieces that are like my everyday jewelry, but there are days when I prefer not to wear something as substantial as this 1837 Return to Tiffany's piece. Tiffany also has some really great homeware. So if you've never tried any of their homeware, I definitely say it's worth exploring. Their wine glasses, they have really awesome coffee mugs, coffee cups that says Tiffany on there. And they're great keepsakes, but they're also great for gifting. So if you all want me to do a video about Tiffany pieces under $500 that you can gift, let me know down below. I will do a Tiffany & Company gift guide because I've been with Tiffany & Company purchasing from them as one of their clients for years now. I go to a lot of their specialty events, and I really do love the brand itself. So this next item is from Hermes, and when my essay told me about this particular item and that I should try it out, I fell in love with it. So I wanted to show you all. It is still wrapped up. I just got it this week because they engraved my name on it. It is the Un Jardin sur le Toit, and it is such a beautiful fragrance. And again, there's so many underrated items at Hermes that if you give it a chance and check it out, you'll fall in love with not only the ready-to-wear, but the fragrances that they have as well. It's absolutely beautiful. And I do have a couple of fragrances from Hermes. I don't know why I never purchased this one. This is an eau de toilette. If you want something stronger, I'm sure you can get the eau de parfum, but I went with the eau de toilette because sometimes I love to wear a night fragrance. And I love that they were able to engrave my name on here as well. So this was a sweet purchase for me. Okay, this next purchase I've showed, this is my Uptown clutch from YSL. And I absolutely love this clutch. This goes with me everywhere I go when I'm traveling because it is so sleek. It is easy to travel with because I just throw it in my tote and I can keep my eyes on it, of course. And I also have the card holder to go with it, which is sitting somewhere out in the front right now, and I didn't want to bring that in because it's just a small piece, but it looks just like this, just to be honest. And I really love it because this goes with pretty much everything. It's black, it's sleek, it's effortless. It is great for, you know, the New Year's that's coming up and you really need a nice little clutch, or you need just a nice little sleek silhouette bag like this. There you go. This is a really awesome purchase, and I've worn this several times and it still looks brand new. If anything spills on it, because it's pebble leather, it will not stain and you just have to wipe it off and that's it. But it's in pristine shape. Unlike the patent leather one, like I mentioned before, once your fingers get on that, it's going to leave your fingerprints all over that bag. And if you're not into babysitting the bag, then definitely I would not encourage you going after that one. This next purchase is from an influencer. This was her launch, and I talked about her before in my bags under $500. And this is the Color Rockmore sling bag. And I really love this. It's still fairly new. I haven't taken the wrapping off of the zipper yet. However, I have traveled with this already. And it has Color Rockmore on the side. And I love it because it's sleek. It can hold your passport. It can hold all the things that you need, but it's also very fashion forward. And I really, really love this. And look, it matches with what I have on. I have boots to go with this. I have shoes to go with this. So I'm really excited that I could be a part of her launch. And I have no regrets with this purchase. I absolutely love this bag. This is like my travel bag, and I'm traveling right now. So there you go. Okay, friends, for this next bag, and if you've been with me for a while, you all know that I have the Chanel Jumbo. And I said I didn't like this bag because it was too big. And then I ended up purchasing another one in a different color. And you all, I got this from Rebag, and I am in love with this bag, you all. Like, maybe it was the color that I did not like as to why, but I'm keeping that other one. But this bag, it's sleek. It's gorgeous. It just looks like my personality. I don't know if you all know, like sometimes things can look like you. This just looks like my personality, and I really love this because it's so sophisticated, it's so classy, and I can wear this with suits, I can wear this going out on the town, I can wear this running errands. I'm in love with this Chanel bag, and so I just have one more Chanel bag on my wish list, and that is definitely going to be another unicorn because now I've already got two that's neutral colored. I really want to get something that is not so neutral. So that's on the wish list. And I wanted to show you all this item. Now, this item was gifted from Mugler, and it is their new Angel Elixir. And I cannot wait. It's shaped like a star. I can't wait to open it. I haven't opened it yet, but I did want to show you all this. And I've seen nothing but great things about it, but I want to try it so I can share my love or hate relationship with this fragrance with you all. And last but certainly not least, I've showed this bag so many times, and that is the Chanel Red Classic Flap I got from Fashionphile. I love this bag. This goes with me everywhere. I'm traveling now. It matches with everything I have in my wardrobe, and I really love this bag. The next purchase will be a Chanel unicorn, like I mentioned, because I do have the neutral colors, but I really do love the uniqueness of the unicorn bags. Now, of course, I bought this one from Fashionphile. The other one I bought from Rebag. And I would say shop pre-love when it comes to Chanel, because Chanel's bags are up there unless you can afford it and you just want to go for it. Then, you know, have at that. But find pre-love sites that actually authenticate the bag so that you're not, you know, purchasing a fake bag or, you know, I've heard the horror stories. So Rebag is really great. Fashionphile is another really great place to buy pre-love. Matches, Farfetch. I don't know if Farfetch has Chanel bags. Luxury Promise actually has some really great bags as well. And there are some Instagram accounts out there, but I would definitely, again, do your homework if you're going to go that route. My next purchase, I would like it to be something that's either yellow or blue or something that is two-dimensional. It has to be unique for me to now want to buy a Chanel bag. I also would like to get a Chanel card holder, so that will be my next purchase as well. And you all, I saw these Chanel boots in Neiman's, and I am going to get these boots. They're a pretty penny, I won't even lie, but I love these boots. I've not seen anybody with them. I've not seen boots like this from Chanel before. And when I saw it, it was absolutely gorgeous. It got my attention. It looks sleek. It looks sophisticated. I put it on. It is super duper comfortable. Of course, I have to size up when it comes to Chanel, but I really love these boots. So these are on my wish list as an item that I want to purchase. And I know I said I didn't want to get any more boots, but I think I can wear this even in the springtime as well, because it's not like a knee-high boot that that we all tie to winter. When we see knee-high boots, we're like, oh, it's a winter boot. But these boots are like ones that I could wear in the spring, fall, and winter. So I'm really excited about making this purchase. But again, I'm going to hold back before I make a purchase again, because Christmas is quickly on our heels and I've got family members that I want to purchase items for as well as friends. So that's what's going to take precedent. I'm quite content. On my face, I will leave everything down below. All of it is luxury makeup, and I didn't want to show makeup because this channel is fashion, but I did buy quite a bit of luxury skincare and makeup. But if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial or something like that, definitely let me know. This one was like a chocolate smoky eye kind of vibe going on, and I really love this. It looks very sultry, and it also looks very, I don't know, it looks very holiday glam to me. So that's why I wanted to go after something like this. And it's something that I can wear every day. It's not doing too much. With this lipstick, it is absolutely beautiful. It is from Chanel. It is the color Chestnut. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Again, I will leave everything down below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.